Madison, do you love Daddy's car?
Yeah.
Is it fast?
Yeah.
Is it loud?
Yeah.
Does it shoot fire?
Yeah.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And go ahead and follow me on both of my social media links, Snapchat and Instagram, to be the first to know when I post my videos. So in today's video, we are doing something a little different, kind of including another car. No, it's not racing. I actually have a GoPro mounted in my wife's car. She's going to be following me around while I'm driving. I am determined to see flames. So she's going to be following me around. Hopefully, it captures it. I know it shoots it. I haven't personally seen it. You guys haven't seen it. So I think it's time for you guys to see it. There's not many flame videos of the Focus RS out there, so I thought it would be a little interesting to create one. Hopefully, with the GoPro mounted to her windshield, facing forward, with her following me, of course, she could capture some good footage. The other night, I did mount the GoPro to the back of the car. I haven't gone over the footage yet, so I don't know if it captured anything. I'm pretty confident that it did capture some flames. But like I said, I haven't gone over the footage, so hopefully my time wasn't wasted and it actually captured some flames. And I'll know when we edit the footage. So I'm actually very excited to make this video. Hopefully I get to see some flames from my car because I haven't seen any, so I really don't know if they shoot flames. Right now I'm on a 91 tune from Stratified. The tune isn't even complete, so maybe we'll redo this video when I'm on ethanol again, because I should have a better chance of shooting flames then, or even larger flames. In all honesty, I probably should have, and I would have liked to do this video when I was done installing the MBRP Down pipe. Now that I'm done with that, the clutch is broken in, I'm on a different tune. Hopefully we get some good footage. Alright guys, let's get going. Oh yeah. So my wife is behind me right now. She's going to be following me. We're going to take a little drive around town, see if we can capture some flames.
Daddy's racing, Mommy's racing.
No, baby. No racing.
Is it bird?
Just hopefully she could keep up. I hate traffic. So I'm pretty sure I just shot a fat flame out the back. I'm not too sure, like I said. I'm not on the phone with her right now, so it's kind of hard to tell if I did capture it, and I'm just hoping I did. Alright, so I have my wife on the phone right now, and she says the car is shooting plenty of flames out the back of the car, so hopefully I got enough footage. I'm gonna go home right now and edit the footage, see if it did capture anything. If not, we're gonna have to do this a different way.
Why are you laughing so hard? Huh?
It's too loud.
Daddy car is too loud? like daddy car more than mom's?
Yeah. Boy, Daddy. Daddy. Dad.
Yeah.
Is there flames coming out?
Yeah.
Daddy.
Big one?
Yeah, but I think I'm too far. Oh, I don't know. Oh.
Hi, Daddy.
She says, I love daddy car.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Mommy,
Yes, babe, I hear you.
say hi to Daddy.
Well, daddy can hear you.
Hi, Daddy.
Let me get a little bit closer, and then you can do it. There you go. That was a good one.
Daddy.
Do it again. I'm closer to you now. Hi. Okay, Rocket Man, just blow up my car.
Daddy.
Hi. Oh my gosh, babe. I felt like I just got shot at.
See, Mommy? I do now. Mommy, look at me. Mommy.
Yes. Oh my god, you just blew a leaf at me.
Let me let up the family in the real car. Madison, do you love Daddy's car?
Yeah,
Is it fast?
yeah,
Is it loud?
yeah,
Does it shoot fire?
yeah. The S,
What kind of car is this, baby? Can you say Focus RS?
Ford, S. Ford.
It's a Ford? Yes, you're very smart.
No, Ford.
A Ford.
Yes.
Oh.
Say it.
Madison, do you want a chocolate donut?
You want pancake and chocolate milk?
You want donuts?
No,
No? I think you want donuts.
I want pancake.
You want pancakes?
Yeah, I want chocolate milk.
You want chocolate milk and pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever you want, baby. You can have whatever you want. Oh, okay. All right, so that was quite the experience. I got to race my wife. I let her do the ricer flyby in her Acura, and
I was getting pretty fast.
we are off to get donuts.
To catch up.
Thanks to my wife for being my designated recorder. We are going to get donuts, and there may or may not be a car meet there, so let's go. Look at the donuts. Alright, so sorry about the video quality right now. First and foremost, it is super dark outside. Like, super dark. Let me turn these lights on. Anyhow, I got my donuts, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'm going to go eat them right now, then edit the video. You know, we got priorities. Donuts are priorities. Anyhow, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. It appears that I've shot some fat flames. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but hopefully it did. So if you enjoyed the video, of course, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. And, of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash.